Introducing 3 Movers cheap Fairfield local and long distance movers near me. When you need to move, you need to find a good and cheap Fairfield moving company. 3 Movers offers the right option for your specific needs. We give you the right team to help make your local or long-distance move easier. Whether you're moving a home, an apartment, a business, a piano, or anything else, we can make the process easier. Get the best long-distance moving services from us with the following options. Packing services. When you want a full-service move, we can provide complete packing and unpacking services. Moving supplies. If you need the right materials and supplies for packing, we offer the highest quality options for your needs. An on-time move. Choosing to move with us means you won't have to worry about delays or any type of cancellation. Upfront pricing. A moving quote from us gives you the accurate pricing you need to plan your budget for moving. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are completely protected when you choose to move with our trusted movers. If you need to move 100 miles, 1,000 miles, or even 2,000 miles away, we can help. Our movers will make moving days simple compared to trying to do it all yourself. We take the heavy lifting off your shoulders to make moving so much easier. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairfield moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.